A massive crowd gathered at Mumbai Shivaji Park on Sunday morning to celebrate the resignation of former Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Supporters turned out in large numbers carrying the national flag, copies of the Constitution, alongside portraits of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and the crowd comprises students and youth. They gathered at the venue with participants arriving from different parts of Mumbai and nearby areas. Many also held up posters and viral social media memes linked to the nationwide protest led by the Cockroach Janata Party. Former Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation came after weeks of protests over alleged irregularities in the NEET examination process. CJP, which led the agitation, announced the end of its over a month-long campaign on Saturday. The participants in the Mumbai gathering termed the move as a victory of democracy. Let's listen in.
का है जो आज की एजुकेशन की स्थिति है वो आगे आगे बढ़नी चाहिए। हमारे भी आगे जाके हमारी जो पीढ़ियां होंगी वो हमसे पूछेंगी कि आपने क्या किया, और हम प्राउडली कह सकेंगे कि नहीं, हमने आज कुछ तो किया है। ये हमारी जीत है, हमारी जेन ज़ी की जीत है।
If we all people come together, if we stand for a right, then all things will be proper. And what happened is we are happy today that Dharmendra Pradhan gave the resignation, because it is a very important thing for our young generation.
Meanwhile, Shiv Sena UBT chief Uddhav Thackeray and MNS president Raj Thackeray greeted thousands of supporters during the massive public rally.
Vande! Vande! Jai Shivaji!
The response is tremendous. From last Sunday to this Sunday, you've seen the unity of Mumbai, the one voice Mumbai spoken in, with the Tiranga in their hands, and a dictator has been shaken, a dictatorship has been shaken. This is the power of the youth, this is the power of New India.
For more on this, from Mumbai, our principal correspondent Disha Yadav has sent us this report. Let's listen in.
We are at the iconic Shivaji Park in Mumbai, where hundreds and thousands of people have gathered from all the age groups to participate in the victory celebration that has been called in by the Shiv Sena and the MNS, which are the Thackeray brothers, Raj as well as Uddhav Thackeray. And as you can see, on a Sunday morning, hundreds of them have come in. What was supposed to be a protest site has now turned into a big victory celebration. The mood is quite energetic. The crowd is quite energetic. As we can see, they are here with the Indian flag. They are here with the posters. They are here with placards, and also some of them are even distributing Indian flags as well, and even sweets for that matter. So this is how the celebration looks like, because finally, after a long month of protest, their demand of the resignation of the Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan finally has been met. So they say that they are here to celebrate that finally the voices of the youth are being heard, and this is how people are singing, they are dancing, and they are celebrating each and every protest that have really happened and taken place in the past 1 month or so. They say that their voices finally have been heard. With video journalist Nitesh, this is Disha reporting here for WION from Mumbai.